Alrighty. What up, YouTube? It's DTM Jono, man. Y'all already know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? I got links on both that's gonna be at the end of the video to the other videos I just did before this one. Let's get right into it, man. We got another unboxing. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Oh, I'm tweaking. I'm high as hell. All right, check it out. Bam! What y'all think it is? We got an OG Nike box. Y'all know I'm with the ones because I'm a one of one, okay? Bam! We got the Nike Air Jordan Pod Green 2.0. Alright. I believe these came out in 2020. Some shit like that. I don't know. I don't remember. What's the date on these? I'm finna give y'all the exact date. Because y'all don't know. I'm supposed to be informing y'all. Because why is y'all watching this shit? Give me about 10 seconds. These motherfuckers tight as hell. No, they came out 2020. Bro. It did come out 2020. They came out at the beginning of the pandemic. I want y'all to look at that quality on them. Now that you see the bottom is dirty as hell. Y'all let me know how I did on them. I paid, holy shit. Okay, $145.99. $145.99. Okay. Y'all know these shoes come out for $170 plus tax. Brand new, they're going for $300. Look at, I want y'all to look at this. Let me know how I did for real. Hold on. Let me focus the camera. Yeah. Ooh, that, god damn, that shit crispy. Y'all see that? How they look? Let me know in the comments below. Did I do good? I did good. Them bitches. Dummy. Look at that. They're a little dusty on the bottom, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see the stars though? They barely been walked on. And they I ain't gonna lie, yeah, that Nike gone. That Nike swoosh gone on the inside. They didn't smoke them bitches. They ain't in here no more. Alright, check it out. We back to the review. So we got green on the toe box, black wraps the whole shoe with a white midsole. We got that candy cane green bottom. We got green on the swoosh. On the back heel tab, we got that candy apple green. We got a red Nike Air on the pull tab on the front. These motherfuckers crispy, man. But for some reason on this shoe, normally, I don't know if y'all can tell, they kind of did something different with the Air Jordan symbol. Y'all see like that black reflector. That's not usually how they do it. It's a little different on this shoe. But the leather on this shoe, I don't know if it's deceiving or not, but this feels like some tumble shit. This pretty soft. I ain't gonna lie. This softer than a baby calf fresh out the womb. This motherfucker crispy. Hell yeah. This boy crispy. We got the red laces. You know, season's greetings in here. You feel me? Season's greetings. Bam. Like I said, shout out round 2. That's the tab right there. I don't want to show you the whole receipt because I got something else. I don't want to show y'all what I got planned for y'all next. Like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see that. Just the other shoe right here. I'm going to give y'all 360 real quick. Y'all can see really what's going on with these real quick. With the laces, watch the bing. Put that bitch right there. Alright. Look at that right here. Alright, so these shoes came out in 2020 like I said. I believe they came out around like All-Star Weekend or something. I remember motherfuckers was really camping out for these. I originally had these, and I'm not going to lie, I had them and I flipped them. I flipped them for $50 because I was fucked up back then. I got another job now, so until y'all get my views up, I'm gonna have to keep flipping shit. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe, alright? Motherfuckers crispy though. Y'all see, bam. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all do, the red laces or the black laces though. Y'all see how that look right there on the front though. Ooh, crispy. Yeah. And this is coming back from y'all favorite animal skinner, Steve Irwin. I'm out this bitch. Gone. Like, comment, subscribe. We gone. DTM Jono, we out.
Boom.